Hey, what's up, guys? Today is March the 5th, 2018. Discipline Day 14. Today I was all over the place. This was a red day. I did exactly what this whole discipline thing is I'm not supposed to do at all, which is take something new that I take something new and just throw it in the mix. Like, discipline is about me sticking to what I have set up. And if anything new is introduced, I need to slowly work that in my free time, like over the weekend, run it, check it out. But total my fault on this. I just went ahead and ran it on Monday. I reviewed the new strategy idea or whatever over the weekend and decided to implement it today on Monday. And it just went bad right off the bat. And what it is it wasn't really a complete change in strategy or anything like that as much as it was just getting a lot more aggressive on my entries and a lot tighter on my stops. And I had not really done it in a live setting, so I started off the day like that, and it just kind of snowballed. The stats on it, there's a lot of trades here, so it's kind of not sure if I get the math correct here, but it looks like 3 losers and 1 winner, and then just a bunch of scratches. So that's like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's, well, okay, I'm not going to count. Let's just go through it. First ticker, XON, shorted that one right there, and that came up and got me. I played it again right here, shorted, and I guess the reason I got out of it for a scratch right here, I think was, if I remember correctly, was this higher low right here when it curled up. So I could have stayed in that and been fine, but I got out for a scratch right there. And then I did short it right here on this curl over and took it to price target on that one. And then, okay, so that's XON. Next one, PBYI. This is one of the first ones I played this morning too. I went long right here, and I had my, this is a little bit, and my stop was like right there somewhere, I want to say. Anyway, that's a little bit tighter than my stop would normally be. So if my normal strategy, that would not have stopped me out. That would have been a winner. Next play, ITCI, shorted them right here. Did not take profit when we started wicking down here, and I got out for, I'll just call that a scratch. That was a scratch. Next one, TDOC, another scratch. I shorted them on this curl over right here, and they were slowly lifting, so I got out right there for a scratch. Next one, NKTR, played this one twice. Oh, I couldn't find the arrow. There it is. Can you guys see that? I went long right here, and we bumped our head right here earlier, and then I went ahead and got it right here. 5, 10, 15, 20, half an hour later, we were still sitting at this level right here. So it seemed like we had too much pressure pushing down on us. So I got out, and what I did do was I flipped my bias, and I shorted right here. When we wicked right here, I should have taken profit, but I was getting greedy. I was just off my game today in total. And so I just sat there and watched it go all the way to my stop, got stopped out on that one. And then lastly, edit. Shorted right there. I do see that this is support, but I figured that it was going to eventually break down, but it just didn't. It never did. It rode all the way up to my stop, got me out. Looks like it's still channeling in between this area right here. And that is a wrap. Total red day. I will not be approaching it this way. Tomorrow I'm going back to basics. I don't know what I was thinking. I was trying to get fancy today. So no more getting fancy before I'm ready. I'm going to stick to what I do, what I know, and that's what the weekends are for me to work on tightening up my stops if I want to, and trying to see, if I'm making profit on trades, can I increase my profit? Can I get in earlier? All that stuff is something I need to run through on my own and not just see it and go, oh, that's a good idea, and try to do it on Monday. Not a good idea. So, cool. That's a wrap, and we will see you guys. This was Discipline Day 14. See you guys tomorrow. Adios.